Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It is another delicious Nigerian food recipe. So today we are going to be making yam porridge with spinach. Stay tuned. So guys, for this recipe I'm using baby spinach. I'm using omo, cow skin, white onions, dry fish, palm oil, 1 chopped tin tomato, curry and thyme, smoked paprika and nutmeg, maggi, salt, Nigerian dry chilli, yam. So guys, first of all we're going to cook our momo. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to add my chopped onions, chunky onions. I'm going to add 1 maggi in there. I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of curry, and also half a teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to put it on the stove and allow it to cook until it is soft, okay? So guys, the next thing that I'm going to do now is to cut my yam. Now after taking out the back, I'm going to cut it like this, and I'm going to slice it like this because I want it to be a little bit smaller. So guys, after cutting the yam, I am going to wash it, and after washing it I'm going to soak it inside a cold water until I am ready to use it. So guys, in this pan we're going to start cooking our tomato. We're going to add our red oil. We're going to let it heat up for a few seconds. So I'm going to add my onions in the pan. After a few seconds, I'm going to add my tomato. I'm going to allow that to fry on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, our momo is done. I am going to slice it into small pieces. So now guys, I'm going to blend my dry fish. So now guys, we're going to add all our ingredients inside the tomato. It has been simmering for like 20 minutes now on a medium to low heat. Okay, we're going to start adding all our ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to add my pomo. I'm going to add my blended dry fish. Now if you have crayfish, use crayfish, but since I started blending my fish, I love the flavor that it brings, the smoky flavor that it brings to the food. But you can use crayfish for this recipe. Now I'm going to add smoked paprika. I'm going to add nutmeg, curry, thyme, Nigerian dry chilli. I'm adding 2 maggi, and I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add water. I'm going to cover and allow it to simmer. So guys, after allowing it to simmer, I am now going to add my yam inside the pot. I'm going to add more water. So I have covered. I'm going to allow the yam to cook properly. So guys, I have washed and cleaned my spinach. We are going to cut the spinach, okay? So guys, the yam is soft now. I am going to add my vegetable inside the yam. So guys, this yam is ready. I am just gonna allow it to simmer for a few seconds, just to let the vegetable simmer with the yam for a few seconds, okay? So guys, after a few seconds, it is time to take our yam out from the stove. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.